Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you pair the left and right earbuds to two devices simultaneously? You can't pair your left earbud to one device and your right earbud to another device, but you can pair both of them to two devices, because these earbuds support dual connection. Also, you can listen to music with only one earbud. If you need it, you just remove only one earbud from the charging case, then close the case and just use it. And as you can see right here, we haven't disconnection, so it works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!